It's me, Marshall Graymo. This is the final of kinetic science. It's the last thing. Oh my god. I don't know what the hell my body. Oh, I'm doing. Your energy. Now stop it. It starts.
Put it in because it's tough.
Guys, you know what? I'm so fancy. Oh my god, my battery is low. I will just do later. 50.
Okay, so let's do the final thing.
Oh my god,
Where's the
it's 9 o'clock.
1, 2, 3.
Jump like in the stick. You're doing that. Hey, that's not fair.
Yeah, you did it also do them.
No, I didn't do it.
Let's rain in tacos.
I hate this time limit.
Far the sky. Tacos.
Don't need to acquire.
Oh my god, it's an earthquake! Where's the tablet?
I don't know.
There it is, under the kinetic sand.
Take it out.
Let's dig it out. Yes, we got it out.
Yay!
From all the kinetic sand.
Oh no!